Okay, we have an iPhone XS Max. We have some problem with this. Plug it in. Okay, this is what it does when you plug it in. And let's see if I can open iTunes. Okay, that happened after I basically reset it, and because it was giving me the error code. See, it doesn't even show up in iTunes. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to fix that. So we're gonna, since it's not coming up in iTunes, the reason why it's doing that because the water got inside of it. So one other step we're gonna try. So let's see. So I can actually disconnect that. Okay, so this is what it's doing. So let's see if we can have it shut down. Okay, how did I do that? Press the up and down plus power button for 5 seconds, then let go of the top one and count 5 seconds while holding those two together for 5 seconds, then the top one for 5 seconds, then that will shut it down that way. Okay, so what we're gonna do, those bottom screws already been removed, so we're just gonna get into it. So get into that, I use something like this. Go pull it up and get a big. Okay, and take that out. Now we have to go around it. Okay. Okay. So from there we have to remove these screws to get basically things. I don't want to block you guys from seeing it. Okay. So you get a triangle screwdriver. Actually, before we do any of that, we have to make sure the screen is gonna work first. So let's remove these instead. Okay, so okay, that's done. So this is the cable that we have to get disconnected. Okay, this is for this. What I'm gonna do, I have this new piece. I'm gonna try and see if that will work, if that can do the trick for us. So we have to make sure we connect the cable. Okay. Will that do the trick? So let's try it. And see. Well, I guess that must be good. It's longer. Would have shut down already. Awesome. There you go. See that? Hey, there you go. Face ID would not work. Okay. Let's see. Okay. That's the front camera. That's the back camera. So it will work. The only thing is the face ID would not work anymore because this is not the original part. Okay, let's try this. It's on, right? Okay, let's say somehow that's the one. Disconnect this and connect that. So I'm guessing the problem is in the piece, the original piece right here. So we're gonna replace that then. It's not gonna work. But let's see if we just disconnect it. Will it work? There you go. So basically the problem is in that piece right here. We're gonna replace that. Okay, now we can shut this down, and now we can remove these screws and replace it. Since we know where the problem is coming from, then we can solve it. Okay, so we can put that aside. Now we're gonna remove 1, 2, 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's go like this. other side. So this is the new piece that we're gonna be working with. So make sure this is like that. Put that in place. Then flip this over. And this. These are in place. This flip over. So okay, that's good. Now when we look at this, okay, this part right here. Okay, so I'm gonna be connecting the cables. unable to activate Face ID on this iPhone. So that's the disadvantage, but works. And that's how you fix that error problem. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel, and have a wonderful day. Thank you. God bless.